What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Sione Toki. The song's called Fast, so shout out to Chris East for requesting this song. I hope you enjoy this, and if you have any other requests, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. But without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the first part. So to play that part, so with this song I think there's two guitars playing, so you can have someone who's playing I guess the main melody, which is just this. So someone could be playing that and the other guitarist could be playing this. So what I'm doing here, first I put the capo on fret number 1. And so from number 1 I'm going into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm putting my little my index finger here, putting my middle finger on the 3rd string, putting my 4th string, sorry, and putting my ring finger on the 5th string, and that is the 6th, 7th and 8th fret. And what I'm doing is I'm doing my finger roll again. So I'm using these 3 fingers. So go. So what I'm doing here is I'm sliding it 1 bar over each time. So keeping all my fingers in the same place. So I'll do that again. So down again, and then this one is a different chord, so I'm going to go down to the 5th fret, place my index finger on the 4th string, my middle finger on the 6th, and my ring finger on the 5th string. So, and then what I'm doing here is I'm letting go of my middle and index, and I'm placing my middle finger on the 5th fret, and I'm placing my index finger on the same fret on the 1st string, second string. So what it's supposed to sound like is this is what it's supposed to sound like. So and then the next part is pretty much the main melody, and it just goes on and on for the whole song. So what it is with the capo being on the 1st fret, all I'm doing is I'm putting my middle finger on the 3rd string and the 2nd fret, or would that be 3rd fret, counting the capo. So 1, 2, 3. So middle finger here. I'm placing my ring finger right underneath it on the same fret. So you can strum this. We can pick it if you want. So what I'm doing with the picking is I'm going. Next chord is going to be so index finger on this string right here, middle finger, and then my ring finger, if you can't see that. So it's here, then here, and then the one right underneath it. So, and the strings that I'm plucking are 1, sing this string right here. So. And that's pretty much the song. Thank you all for watching my video once again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments or any questions or any requests, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll have a look at it and I'll reply to you guys as soon as possible. So if you haven't subscribed, once again, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. Stay safe, stay well, God bless, and see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.